This is a voiced consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word glue, in the middle of the word struggle, at the end of the word bag, and at the beginning and end of the word gig. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Glue, struggle, bag, gig. Okay. Now it may be difficult to tell the difference between this voiced sound that you hear at the beginning of the word glue and its voiceless partner that you hear at the beginning of the word clue. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiced sound first. Glue, clue, ghost, coast, log, lock, pig, pick. Now, did you hear the difference? You might be able to see the difference. Watch. Glue, clue, glue, clue. Let's try again. Listen and repeat after me. Glue, clue, ghost, coast, log, lock, pig, pick. Okay.